Dear children, welcome back. Let us begin a new day with asking the blessing from the Almighty. Continuation of the same chapter, chapter 8, comparing quantities. Today, new points, finding the increase and decrease percentage. Finding the increase and decrease percentage. How to find out the increasing amount and the decreasing amount? Please take page number 120. Page number 120, section 8.2, marking 8.2, finding the increase and the decrease amount. Can explain with a simple example. Example 2, the price of a scooter was 34,000. Second hand, the new scooter will cost more. This is old one. The price of a scooter was 34,000 last year. It has increased 20% this year. पिछले साल की बात कर, पुराना एक साल के बाद में 20% इंक्रीज किया है. What is the price now? Last year the price was 34,000. Maybe old one, it is not available. New scooter is not available for rupees 30,000. Second hand. The price was 34,000 last year, and this year increased by 20%. So what will be the new price? Okay. So you can example EXM लिखा है. एग्जाम्पल एक्सरसाइज में EX लिखा है सर, याद रखने का. जब एक्सरसाइज लिखेगा तो EX आएगा. एग्जाम्पल के लिए EXM लिखते थे. एग्जाम्पल 2, 20% of 3,400. First of all, you have to find out the 20% of increase by 20%. So what will be the 20% of 34,200? How to find out? We know that the base of the percentage is 100. So the 20% means 20 upon 100. 20% means 20 upon 100 into 34,000. Now what will happen? These two zeros cancel. These two zeros cancel. Then what is remaining? 20 into 340. That is 20 into 340. 340 into 20. Double zero. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. That is 6,200. 6,800. That will be your increase. Now you need to find out the new price. New price equal to old price plus new increase. Old price plus the increase. What is the increase now? So we have calculated already increased the 6,800. So 34,000 plus 6,800 or 34,000. इसके साथ 34,000 और प्लस करो 0 0 8 0 40,800. The new amount will be 40,800. 40,800 is the new amount. Correct? So that is the amount. Now the same question. What will be if reduction, decrease? The same question, the same scooter. उसको अगर आप एक साल के बाद में 5% डिक्रीज हुआ प्राइस को, डिक्रीज मीन्स कम हुआ, इंक्रीज मीन्स मोर, डिक्रीज मीन्स लेस. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? द प्राइस ऑफ द स्कूटर इज 34,000. नाउ हियर इट इज द decrease is 5%. What is the 5%? 5% of 34,000. How to find out? 5% means 5 upon 100. 5% means 5 upon 100. 5 upon 100 into 34. Here also these two zeros cancel. Then what is remaining? 340 into 5. 500, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. That is 1,700 rupees. 1,700 rupees. That is decrease. Now what will be the new price? New price. Decrease means कम हो गया. So earlier कितना था? 34,000 था. So you need to minus the price. That is 34,000 minus 17,000. That is how to subtract 34,000 minus 17,000. 34,000 32,000 minus 1,700. 0, 0, 7 plus 7, 1 plus 1. That is how much it is? 34,000 minus 1,700. है ना? Okay. 34,000 minus 1,000. 34,000 minus 1,700. 0, 0, 7 plus 3, 10, 3, 2, 32,300. 32,300 is the new price. ठीक है? So one question. Scooter, the cost is 35,000. Then if you increase 20,000 the amount, then it will be cost 14,800. If you decrease 5%, then it will cost 32,000. Okay. So please complete it. You can please complete this example. Page number 120. Write the heading. Finding the increase and homework. I want you. No need to ask me about this homework. So whatever we are discussing in this lecture, you have to be. It should be in your notebook. So please write down page number 120. Finding the increase or decrease amount. Then you complete the example 2. Example 2. That is increasing amount. And now finding the how to find out the discount. It's very simple. And you आप देखिए दुकान पर कभी जाएगा तो कुछ वस्तु खरीदने जाएगा तो वहाँ बोर्ड लिखा डिस्काउंट 10% है, 2% है, 5% है। दिवाली में रात्रि में आप जो नया रेडीमेड शर्ट्स और क्लोथिंग्स लेने जाएगा तो वहाँ दुकान का सामने बोर्ड लिखा हो डिस्काउंट, दैट मीन्स लेस प्राइस। डिस्काउंट हमारे लिए फायदा है। व्हाट शुड बी द ओरिजिनल प्राइस, इसमें जो प्राइस में जितना लिखा है इसमें से कम प्राइस में हमको मिलेगा, ये कैसे करते हैं डिस्काउंट। Finding the discount. The next page, I mean the same page itself, we can say the lower part it is given. Finding the discount. How to find out the discount of particular item. Here it is. Finding discount. Next heading. Page number 120. Page number 120. Finding discount. Finding discounts. Finding discount. You can take simple one. Example 3. Example 3. An item marked rupees 840 is sold rupees 740. What is the discount of that particular person? Discount. The cost CP. Cost price कितना था? कितना लिखा है? What is item का cost price? 840. 840 रुपीस लिखा है और सेलिंग किया था कितना? एसपी सेलिंग प्राइस कितना लिखा था? एसपी इक्वल टू 740. एसपी इक्वल टू 740. तो 840 is marked there and it is selling price will be 740. What is the discount there? Discount equal to कितना डिस्काउंट मिला? 840 minus 740. माइनस कर लो 840 minus 740. 6 0 में से 4 नहीं जाएगा, 10 ले लिया, 6 इधर 3 है, 2 और 7 प्लस 126 रुपीस आपको 126 आपको डिस्काउंट मिल गया। नाउ परसेंटेज ऑफ डिस्काउंट इक्वल टू 126 कितना में से मिला? एक्चुअली 840 रुपीस का आपको इंटू 100 आप इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो। 126 रुपीस एक्चुअली लिखा था कि इसमें प्राइस टैग में कितना लिखा था? 840 रुपीस का, तो आपको 740 नहीं मिला, 120 रुपीस डिस्काउंट हुआ, तो आप 126 का आपको फायदा मिला है 840 में से इंटू 100। 0 0 कैंसिल हो गया, तो बाकी कितना हुआ? 126 into 10, that is 126 divided by 84. आप इसको डिवाइड कर लो तो आपको कितना आएगा? इसको डिवाइड करेगा तो आपको आंसर आएगा 15%. When you divide 1260 divided by 84. 84 ones are 84, 2 42, then 84 5s are 5 4s are 20, to 42. ठीक है 80 420. Okay, 420. So 15%. So that is your 15% is your discount. Okay, so please complete example 3 and also example 4 and there are certain questions in try these also. Please try to do it and we will meet you the next class with a new point, prices related to buying and selling, that is profit and loss. Okay, the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.